Start your day with these healthy and tasty oats recipes. Breakfast is said to be the most important meal of the day. Hence it is important to have something healthy in breakfast. Though there are many healthy options that we can have in the morning, but today we will talk about oats. Whole grain oats are full of nutrients. Here is the list of oats recipes to kickstart your day. List of healthy oats recipes. Below we have given some really healthy as well as tasty recipes of oats. Oats idli. This is one of the quick and easy recipe of oatmeal. This can be prepared without fermentation. Oats idli can be prepared same as we prepare our idli, by just preparing the batter and cook it just like idli. You can also add carrots, tomatoes and other vegetables for better taste and making the dish more nutritious. Oats khichdi. Khichdi is one of the most common dishes prepared in Indian kitchens. And oats khichdi is so light for stomach and extremely healthy. You can add some dal, some veggies, and spices to make the dish healthy and tastier. It can be served with curd. Oats upma. We all like rawa, suji upma. It is common mostly in South Indian kitchens. Just like you prepare suji upma, oats upma can also be prepared the same way. This recipe is so simple to cook and can be prepared within 30 minutes. Oats upma. Oats kheer. Oats kheer can be prepared with rolled oats or quick cooking oats, milk, ghee and dry fruits. This oats recipe can be served as a breakfast, and also as a dessert after meals. Fruits oats smoothie. You must have heard about fruits smoothie, but when oats are also added, it becomes more nutritious and tasty. In this smoothie, along with oats, you can add almond milk, chopped banana and apple, peanut butter, and some dry fruits.